The Pythagorean triangle is here. They had it upside down, right? The opposite way round. Now, guess what? Water and air, which is air, is atmosphere, which is where the amino acids come from, which is the ether also, which is why you've got the ether, yeah? Ether is in the air, yeah? Ether is in the air, yeah? Water and ether and air, yeah? That is the two of them together. Here, water is aligned with air, ether, together combined. And that is what you have here. You have your H2 molecule, yeah, H2O molecule. You get oxygen, 108 degrees, 9, center point, 36 and 36. Hydrogen and hydrogen. Hydrogen is 6. Hydrogen is 6. Oxygen is 9. See? Yeah. And then this is what and we read the thing earlier. It's telling you that the father, yeah, drops down. We drop down. We come down. We drop down here. The father is the cause of that dropping down. Yeah. So that is what they're saying here. And then in actual fact, just to clarify that, on that one here, we can see that here. So this is Thoth. This is Thoth. Yeah. So 9 is the father. Vast he of countenance, forming and changing from out of the formless. Yeah. 8 is he who orders the progress, weighs and balances the journey of men. Balance. 8. Balance. Higher, lower, in the center, balance. Yeah, that is that. What Thoth would also going to tell you is, before the lords of hidden Amenti learned I the wisdom I gave unto men, masters are they of the great secret wisdom, brought from the future of infinity's end. 7 are they, the lords of Amenti, overlords they of the children of morning, sons of the cycles, master of wisdom. Formed are not they as the children of men. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah. Are the titles of the masters of men. 9 is the master is the master number. In occult numerology charting, then we have 11, 22, 33. Far from the future, formless yet forming. This is formless. Formless yet forming. Came they as teachers for the children of men. Live they forever, immortality, yet not of the living. Bound not to life, and yet free from death. There is no death. Rule they forever with infinite wisdom. Bound ye not to the dark halls of death. Life they have in them, yet life that is not life. Free from all are the lords of the all. Because this is an illusion. It's an illusion being experienced, the game that's being played by the infinite immortal that resides at the center 0 point, which is why we now know him so much. So just to wrap this up, so this is why you see you have your H2 molecule, your oxygen. Your H is for homeostasis, which is inertia. Inertia is 4, which is matter. Your matter, the earth, is in a state of inertia. Your oxygen is your 9. Your hydrogen is your 6. And then what you get is you get 1.618, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In between that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1.618. Then you get 1 over 5 and 5, and which creates 4.23606, which is 5 cubed. Don't want to get too complex on that, but the point that I'm making to you, what I'm telling you here, is that inside of these 5 elements is the quintessence, And the quintessence is the ether. Yeah. And by accessing it, we don't have health, but we have perfection. And we have perfection through energy. So this represents your magnetic field also. And you can see its dimensions is 108, 36, 36. Your water molecule is 108, oxygen, hydrogen, 36, 36. Together combined, create a trinity. That trinity brings forth life, water, along with ether, create life. They create superior life, and they create a scenario of perfection, which is now about to manifest itself for those who are able to access the light and who are able to access the fifth element. So it just says there, the original use and meaning is ratio, perfection, proportionality. Yeah, the avatar is meant to be in a total state of perfect harmony. And that is what this symbol represents. Mathematically, you can see your pyramid in there. The only way to get the pyramid is through perfect incrementability at that point right there. So you can see how we work with these elements, how this is your redshift and your blue shift, how we incorporate all of them, yeah, to access a center point based in tranquility and equilibrium, means that we are able to find the state of total perfection, and that is encoded with the geometry and the mathematics of perfection. So, peace, love, and centeredness. And we will, just before I do go, so you see gamma and Gaia, which is gamma is 3, Gaia is 7. Your magnetic field is a 7 hertz frequency. 7 pH is 0, which is zero voltage. So tranquility, yeah, and non-reaction, yeah, and energy allows you to exit the lower realms and access the higher planes. Peace, love, and centeredness.